Hello and welcome to PA Academy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a square that is half the area of a given square. So right here, what you're having here is a square. Let's call this point A, B, C, and D. So how do you go ahead to draw another square that is half the area of this square that we are having, this given square that we have the area? So that's what I'm going to be putting you through in this video. So before we get into it, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please click on the subscribe button right now to subscribe to PA Academy. Either you are yet to subscribe or you are still new to PA Academy, please click on the subscribe button. Alright, thank you very much if you have just subscribed. Alright, so let's get back into this video. So to save time, I've gone ahead to draw the square. So what you are going to do in a situation like this, where you have to draw a square that is half the size of a given square. So once you have your square, you join the opposite points together. So now I'm going to be drawing a diagonal, point A to point C, and then from point B to point D. Like this. So draw the other diagonal. So now let's note their point of intersection. So the point of intersection is right here. So let's call it point E. So that's the point of intersection. So from the point of intersection, from point E to point C, and then from point E to point D represents one side of the square that is half the size of this main square. So what you are going to do now is, so just pick your compass, just to give you accurate results. You pick your compass, so use it to get the length of either DE or EC. So you can first use your ruler to measure it, then you bring your compass on your ruler, either way, or you do it like this. So now use it to get the length like this. So it's the same length with EC, as you can see. So now you place it on C, and then you draw an arc. With the same length, you place it on point D, and then you draw an arc. So now you note the point of intersection. So this is the point of intersection of the two arcs. So let me call that point F. So what do we do? So we join point F to point D. And then we join point F to point C. So let me now make point E to point D. Let me make it bold. Alright, so now the main triangle is, so let me write it here, the main square rather, the main square is ABCD. Now half the area, so that means the half of the area of this given square is now, so that will be DECF. So this is how you go about when you're asked to draw a square, half the area of a given square. So this is a part 2, and in the part 2 I'm also going to be showing you, if you are given a given square, how do you draw another square that is twice the area of a given square. Now this one is half, so what if it is twice? So in the next part of this video, so if you watch this video to the end, that video is going to be popping up somewhere here, and when you click on it, it will take you there. So do watch this video to the end so that you can just watch the part 2 straight away. You also find the link to it in the description of this video. So if you find value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you are yet to subscribe to PA Academy, please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button. Do check out our playlist on technical drawing for more helpful videos like this, and also check out our website paacademy.co. So with that, I'll see you all in the part 2 of this video, showing you how to draw a square that is twice the area of a given square. Alright, thank you.